In today's video, I'll show you how to create a mind map using Miro AI, the fastest way to organize your ideas and spark creativity in seconds. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your Miro board. On the left-hand toolbar, look for the mind map icon. If it's not there, click on More Apps, search Mind Map and pin it for quick access. Now click anywhere on your board to create the root node. This is your main topic or central idea. Type in whatever you're brainstorming, like marketing strategy, project plan, or personal goals. Now comes the fun part, using Miro AI. On your toolbar, click Create with AI. Then choose Mind Map as the diagram type. In the prompt box, type what you want AI to generate. For example, marketing strategy ideas for Q3 2026. Be as detailed or open-ended as you like. Once you hit generate, Miro AI will instantly create a structured mind map branching from your central idea. Each branch represents related concepts or strategies, giving you a clear visual breakdown of your topic in seconds. Review what the AI produces. You can keep, retry, or discard suggestions to fine-tune your map until it perfectly fits your vision. And that's it. You've just built a complete mind map using Miro AI, a powerful combo of creativity and automation. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Miro tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy mind mapping with AI.